patients want to participate in clinical trials, we should make it as easy as possible for them to participate. And that's why our expertise can also make sure that those studies and those protocols are as patient-centric as possible, but also easier for the sites to implement. If we're involved early enough in the discussion and design phase of a protocol upstream, we can actually iron out some of those problems. Remember, we work in a competitive environment, so we have to make that protocol accessible to patients and interesting for sites at the same time, and easy for sites to implement.
The execution startup's key. You start up by really working to obtain both long-term and short-term objectives. We really have to look at how do you scale quickly.
So it's not one person, it's not a delivery, it's not operations, it's not just medical, it's all of us coming together and applying the right solution. And I think that's where our customers benefit from our abilities to get together.
Running clinical programs and developing new medicines requires a team approach, and no two indications are exactly the same either. So it's always something novel, something new. And the only way you can bridge that challenge is to put together people who are like-minded in the sense that they want to solve the problem, want to drive science forward.
It's really important for me and my group to better understand the therapeutic areas, the complexities of a certain patient population, to actually intelligently come up with an execution model that can be maintained and that is effective and that can deliver quality results for the customer.
And so we've got to make sure is at the point of delivery with the project teams, those therapeutic experts, the medical experts, are ingrained in the project. They are actually guiding the team and understanding the disease state, the patient pathway, sometimes the caregiver pathway, and how that works its way into sites and how we find patients.
One of the key strengths of a therapy area is their understanding of how trials are designed and how they can optimize the trial design. Therapeutic expertise is really critical to the delivery of excellent trials for patients and for sponsors. Not least because if you've got the therapeutic expertise, naturally you understand the area, but you understand all those aspects about delivering healthcare. So therapeutic expertise is not just about the indication, it's understanding how healthcare is delivered, how patients have access to clinical trials, and last but not least, what goes on at sites. That's really important because many of our therapeutic experts have been investigators. Sponsors need agility for various reasons. First of all, data is accruing all the time. That helps decision making. The second issue is when you're developing new medicines, obviously we're in a very competitive environment. So we have to be agile in delivering the recruitment for studies and of course the results of those studies. And the best way we can do that is have deep therapeutic expertise that we bring to solve problems on that journey. So you need therapeutic expertise to remain agile, to design protocols that are nimble, fast, quick, will get to the answer you need.